from beyond, Mr. Nature.
And we live at Kaiso Showcase. This is Mr. Nature.
Cypher came to me in a vision and telling me to go up for election. Lord Cypher came to me in a vision and telling me contest the next election. I told him, Cypher, this game has so much tricks, and I am not interested in politics. He said, Nature, please take it from me. Your manifesto going to build back this sweet country. Here the manifesto is free pampers for all young baby, old age pension. Go start from 8:40. Everybody go be traveling in maxi free. And to go to Bago, it will cost no money. Cell phones for all vagrants on the street. Place to sleep and food to eat. When Satmaras go ball when he hear the plan. Every Indian marry into an African and they call out.
Vote Mr. Nature, vote here.
Cypher.
Vote for the PPP.
Cypher.
Vote Mr. Nature, vote here. For the Poor People Party.
I told him about the crime situation and all the guns that plague in this nation. Cypher in the country and all in town. Look how much people don't get gunned down. It's in 30 days time at least. It win have one single gun on the street. No, I can't believe what he's saying is true. So I asked Cypher, tell me what you go do. And he tell me, it's tight, tight, tight security on the land, the air, and the sea. Then I call in a gun amnesty all over D&D. 100 tower paying for any gun. So everybody go be fighting to bring in one. Imagine 89 years Miss Lucy brings her husband and her old dead resign book me and they
Vote Mr. Nature, vote here. Vote Mr. PPP. Vote Mr. Nature, vote here. For the Poor People Party.
I told him about the black population, African decreasing with tight to pull it and abortion. I said, Cypher, if this should continue, in 50 years, African gone to. He said, Nature, please, I want you to know that already mentioned in your manifesto. So sit back, relax now and hear the plan. How to increase your population. And he tell me, from the time a woman make a baby, government minding it straight to university. The mother go be working permanently with a free house and land from the HDC. So abortion and anti-tube go be out completely. Now every woman protecting the pregnancy, he go harass 12 master in T&T. Makume man no go be fighting to make baby.
Vote Mr. Nature, vote him. Vote for the PPP. Vote Mr. Nature, vote him. For the Poor People Party.
Thank you. Thank you. Aye, I told him about those past politicians and their contribution to our nation. Those was the leaders of TNT. Some make us sad, some make us happy. He said, Native, please, it's no time to worry. It have enough work here for everybody. So treating them bad, now that go be rude. Every politician here going to eat the food. And he tell me, so damn I go be planted. Tomatoes, steady heart in the market. Telling it those. Johnny William by Chimook Bakery baking bread. And quite on in the motree, he bid in there. Pandey, Dupre, and Ramesh Maharaj. In Kolami, Orange, gang they in charge. And if they're running ghost young as in the past, Rory with a people to drop lash inside the eye.
Mr. Nature, vote him. Vote for the PPP. Vote Mr. Nature, vote him. For the Poor People Party.
Cypher came to me in a vision and telling me to go up for election. Lord Cypher came to me in